Looking to unlock all of Telegram's powerful premium features right on your Android device. In this step-by-step video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Telegram Premium using the newest, simplest method available. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be enjoying perks like larger file uploads, voice-to-text, exclusive stickers, and so much more, all seamlessly activated in your Telegram app. So let's jump straight in. First things first, grab your Android phone and make sure you've got the Telegram app installed and updated to the latest version. Having the most recent update is important because premium features and payment options sometimes only appear on newer Telegram releases. If you're all set, go ahead and open the Telegram app. You'll see your list of chats and groups as usual. Now, to start the process, we need to access the app's main menu. Look in the upper left corner of your screen for those three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu icon. Tap on that. This will pull out Telegram's side menu, where you'll find a variety of settings and options. Take a moment here if you're new, because these menu options can look a bit overwhelming at first. But don't worry, just scroll down until you spot the section labeled Telegram Premium. It should stand out with a premium badge or icon. Go ahead and tap on Telegram Premium. Once you open it, you'll land on a page that details all the cool features you'll unlock as a subscriber. If you're curious about what you actually get, spend a moment browsing through the list. Things like ad-free chatting, increased channel limits, and boosted upload sizes are all described here. It's worth knowing exactly what your subscription covers. When you're ready to proceed, Telegram will prompt you to select your subscription plan. Here, you can usually choose between a monthly or an annual plan. The annual plan almost always offers a discount compared to paying each month, so if you're sure you'll stick around, that can be a smart way to save a bit of money. Don't worry if you just want to try things out. The monthly plan is flexible and easy to cancel later. After you've chosen your plan, Telegram will ask you to confirm your payment. This part is handled directly by Google Play, so your purchase is secure and uses your pre-linked payment methods, such as a credit card, debit card, or Google Play balance. If you've already bought apps or in-app subscriptions before, this will feel familiar and straightforward. Just double-check that your payment method is active. If you see an error, it usually means you need to update your card details in your Google Play account. Once you confirm the payment, the transaction will process automatically. This might take just a few seconds, but don't be alarmed if it seems slow sometimes. Payment processing can depend on your internet connection or Google Play's servers. As soon as it's complete, Telegram will upgrade your account, unlock the premium badge, and you'll be able to use all those exciting features straight away. If you don't see the premium status after purchase, try closing and reopening the app. That usually does the trick. And that's it, you've successfully upgraded to Telegram Premium on Android using the standard Google Play billing method. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues during the process, drop them in the comments below. I check every day and I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring those new Telegram features.